From DoneRight Management. We are at the Cascade Golf Course Cabin. Going to do a quick video tutorial on the Wi-Fi in case you're having problems connecting. Might need to reset the system. And so the username, as you can see here, is Cascade 102. Login is 102 Cascade. However, if those aren't showing up, might need to unplug. So unplug it for 3 minutes, plug it back in. If it still doesn't have all your green lights and your connection saying wireless, and your internet light is green. On the back side, we have right here the actual SSID, which is your Frontier 9551. That's going to be the username. And then the WPA, which is going to be that long MNB4K37 blah blah blah, will be your password to log in. So if you're still having difficulties, it's possible that there could be an internet outage, which, hey, it's a small little area. It does happen from time to time, but give us a call if you are having trouble and do need to get on. We can take a look and find out. We can call Frontier and see what's going on. Number at DoneRight Management, it's 208-634-0030. Cheers, and hope you're having a grand time while you're here in Cascade.